Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this and it's pretty cool, but you can see that the lines are not connected and doesn't look very good. He's unhappy. He sent me this file. I've already done it. I guess I should have used red and blue. This is the way he did it. So you've got overlapping line. And then this is the way I did it. I guess I should have used the dark blue on this and get it looking like that. So now we've got perfect lines. The only thing I did different, and we're just going to start over. He drew it. As a matter of fact, he had this on his file. And when you're doing this, you only need the two lines. You don't need to go all the way around if you can just get this section. So we're going to set our nudge factor on like 12. And we're going to take the Smart Fill tool and we're going to fill that in. And then I'm going to left click, right click. Now, I'm going to draw a line, a 2-point line, and go from there to there. If you will grab it with your pick tool, or grab it with the pick tool and your shape tool, and elongate it, it elongates it both directions. We want it longer than it is. So I'm going to make a duplicate, and I'm just going to put the second one there. Now, before I do anything, well, what I should have done before I even did that, go ahead. He said he used 8 points. So I'm going to go 8 points. I don't care what color it is right now. And here's what he needs to do. Go to Object and convert the outline to an object. Now, it doesn't matter what color you use right now. Hit the plus key and move that up to there. Shift select both these. So you've got two objects selected. Go up to Effects and Blend. He blended them 20 times. He gave me a lot of information, which was really helpful. So you've got that right there. So now if you look, we can go left click, right click, and we get this. Basically, there are a bunch of little rectangles. Now we have to take this and move it out of the way. Go here and go to Object and break the blend apart. Then you have to group it. Go up to Object, Group, and Control G. Then you can nudge this back. So I did not move that, I nudged that. Now I'm going to take both of them and I'm going to intersect. And what that did, it made a perfect cut line of our rectangle. Now I'm going to move this back. I'm not worried about the color right now, but I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. While holding down the Control button, I'm going to go like this. Now at this time, I'm going to change my colors. So I'm going to grab just that part. I'm going to make it red. I'm going to take away the outline. I'm going to grab that right there, make it blue. So I'm left clicking blue and right clicking no outline. Now I'm going to group these together, Control G. I'm going to Control D and make a duplicate. And I'm going to move the center of rotation so you don't have to do it but one time. I don't think I'm close enough yet, so I'm going to zoom in. Double click on it and you can see I'm pretty close, but not close enough. You need to be right on that node. And we're going to rotate it 72 degrees. Okay, Control D, 144. Control D, Control D. Now, I want to move the lines out of the way. So I'm going to grab all that and nudge it up. Whoop. I really just want the star. I don't want the other. So I'm going to move everything out of the way. I'm just nudging them over so I can nudge them back. Because he wants this to be white in the middle. I'm going to delete that. I'm going to put this back. Whoop. And I'm going to left click white. Can't really tell it right now. But now if we take all this and move it over, we'll move this out of the way. Let's go ahead and get rid of that. And if we put a black background on it, so make a rectangle, hit it black, Object, Order, Backup Page. So he has a red, white, and blue star. That's pretty cool. Now even the centers are both colors. That's pretty cool. I like the idea. When you do a line, you need to convert it to an object to make something like this work. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.